This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylwia Kolkanowska. Great opportunity to own this large move-in ready single-family pool home in Cape Coral. Nice open floor plan features almost 2,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and large living room, all very inviting. New tiled floors throughout the entire house for easy maintenance and carpet in the bedrooms. The master bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet and roomy master bath. Kitchen offers tile countertops with a breakfast bar and lots of cooking and cabinet space. This split-bedroom open floor plan makes this home great for entertaining. Large screened-in pool area to enjoy your morning coffee with a peaceful view, great for outdoor dining and family gatherings. Located in a quiet neighborhood east of Skyline Boulevard, north of Veterans Highway, close to stores and restaurants, easy access to Fort Myers and beaches through Veterans Highway. Don't wait any longer and schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.